how to search an image on Google. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to find where an image came from or discover similar pictures using your Google? Then I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Let's dive right in. You'll need to open up your Google Chrome, and then in the search bar, you can see a camera like icon that is the Google Lens. So here you can search using your camera or upload an image from your gallery. Just tap on it. And then you can point a camera towards what you want to search, or you can see the gallery icon on the left hand side and you can choose an image from your gallery. So you need to tap the shutter button to search, and then now it will automatically search the image and give you Google results. So you can see this image shows an Acer laptop, and you can see the processor, the memory, and you can even see visual matches, and you can add to your search. You can ask what's the price, and then Google will give you the answers in just few seconds. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.